In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a right front lower control arm on the Toyota Corolla. This is located behind the right front wheel. Let's get started. To get started, we're going to remove our right front wheel. We're going to pull our hubcap off and set it aside. With that out of the way, we're going to locate 5 21mm lug nuts. Remove these as well. Now pull the wheel off and set it aside. We're going to locate our lower control arm and ball joint on the knuckle. We're going to move on under the ball joint and remove the 3 17mm fasteners. Now pull the control arm down. Separate the ball joint and set it aside. We're going to move under the vehicle and remove our splash shield. Starting with these push pin clips, remove these with a trim tool. Follow the clips along the back. And more along the side. And set these aside. At the front of the splash shield, we're going to locate 4 10mm bolts. Remove these as well. Hold the splash shield up while you remove the last bolt. And remove it from the vehicle. Now we have access to our front lower control arm bolt. This is a 24mm. Go ahead and remove it. You could also use a swivel and slide the bolt out. We're going to move to our rear control arm bolt and remove it using a 19mm on the bolt side and a wrench on the nut side. Support the nut side and remove the bolt. Set the nut aside and the bolt as well. Now slide it out and remove it from the vehicle. You could use a pry bar as well. And there it is. Put the control arm into place. Now slide your bolt through. And hand thread on your nut. Slide the front portion of the control arm under and in. Now install your front bolt, slide it in place. And now snug it down. We're going to torque this front bolt down to 133 foot-pounds. Insert your torque wrench and torque it down. We're going to insert our studs from the ball joint into the control arm and hand thread on our fasteners. Install your bolt and the 2 fasteners. Snug these down. We're going to torque these down to 97 foot-pounds. We're going to move on to our rear bolt and torque it down to 66 foot-pounds while supporting the top with a wrench. We can now reinstall our splash shield. And hand thread on your 4 10mm bolts. Now snug these down. We're now going to reinstall our push pin clips along the splash shield. Let's reinstall our right front wheel. Put it into place. And install your lug nuts. We're now going to snug these down in an alternating pattern. We're going to torque these down to 76 foot-pounds in an alternating pattern. Reinstall your hubcap, align the valve stem up with the cutout on the hubcap, and push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.